In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Replit account. By the end, you'll be signed in and ready to start coding in the browser with zero setup on your computer. First, open your favorite web browser and search for Replit. In the search results, look for the official Replit site. It should clearly show the replit.com address. Before you click, double-check the URL and look for the secure padlock icon in the address bar. That small check helps you avoid lookalike pages and ensures you're headed to the real site. Once you're on the Replit homepage, find the Create Account or Sign Up button, typically in the top right corner. Go ahead and click it to begin the sign-up process. The page will guide you smoothly from here. You'll be offered a couple of ways to get started. The quickest path is to continue with Google, which links your account securely and usually gets you in with just a couple of clicks. If you prefer not to link a third-party account, choose to sign up with an email address instead. In that case, you'll enter your email and create a secure password. Keep that password unique and strong, and store it somewhere safe. You may also be asked to choose a display name or username at this stage. Pick something you're comfortable using in collaborative projects. Next, you'll see options related to what you plan to build. Replit may show you language or project cards. Hover over these options to see brief descriptions, then choose the coding engine you want to start with, such as Python or JavaScript. Don't worry, this choice isn't permanent. You can switch engines or create projects in other languages anytime later. This step simply tailors your first experience so you land in an environment that fits your goals. During sign-up, you'll be asked to accept the terms of service and privacy policy. Take a moment to scan these, then click to agree so you can continue. You may also see optional preferences, like product updates. Adjust those to your comfort level. After that, you'll be routed straight to your Replit dashboard. This is your home base. You'll see options to manage projects, explore templates, and collaborate. If you're new, take a quick look around. The sidebar helps you navigate, and the main area highlights ways to start building. From here, you're ready to dive in, create your first REPL when you're ready, and start coding in the cloud with a single click. That's it. You've created your Replit account and reached the dashboard. You're all set to explore, learn, and build.